tumayong balahibo ko nun, sir, noong panahon na nakita ko, naku, andyan yata si VP Sara, andyan si Bongo nakapasok na.
Ang penalty nito ay 4 na taon nata na kulong.
Who gave you the order?
I take my orders from the Chief of the Philippine National Police.
So, Chief PNP.
Ang ano po namin is really to assist ang PCTC po.
Kaya nga. Oh, PCTC, did you or did you not give the order to General Marbil?
No.
No. So, General Marbil, are you lying?
General Torre, may violation ho ba sa arrest ni former President Duterte?
No, sir.
Any person arrested or detained or to shall be allowed visits by or conference with any member of the immediate family or any medical doctor or priest, minister chosen by him. I saw the video, sir. President Duterte was asking for his own doctors.
Sir, we have substantial doctor.
Ang sabi kasi dito, his choice, hindi nyo choice. I saw the video wherein you're saying 2-star, ako na nagdedesisyon, I will not allow VP Sara in. Tama?
Yes, sir.
Hindi ba siya anak? Nung nakita ko tong batas na to, nakalagay, pag anak, you cannot stop them. Ang penalty nito ay 4 na taon nata na kulong.
Bawal na pigilan yung anak na bumisita. So, it's your call to violate the law.
Yung doctors ho ba ni President Duterte certified him fit to travel?
It's not part of the procedure for his private doctors for that to do that, sir. It will be the government doctors who will be
No,
taking
that's not
it, sir.
true, sir. Ang nakalagay ho dito sa batas, it can be his doctors. Magiging inutil yung batas if you invite your doctors and then they cannot certify. So, ang mangyayari nun, if they certify hindi pwede, sinertify ng government doctor pwede, korte ang magsasabi at kakasuhan yung doktor na nagkakamali. But if you tell me, sir, okay naman siya, o tignan mo. The law is clear eh. Hindi naman ikaw magsasabing sufficiente, hindi. But you're supposed to allow all of his doctors in right away and you're supposed to allow his family members there and not deny them.
So, who give the order? Sino nagbigay sa'yo ng order?
Sir,
No,
I have a team of
you're the
deputy
one
there.
there. Wala si SOG doon. Ikaw ang nagkarga sa kanya sa aeroplano. Kaya tinatanong kita, who gave you the order?
Still, sir, I take my orders from the Chief of the Philippine National Police.
So, Chief PNP.
It's always the guidance that ang ano po namin is really to assist ang PCTC po.
Kaya nga. Oh, PCTC, did you or did you not give the order to General Marbil?
No.
No. So, General Marbil, are you lying?
So I'm not lying, but I just want to have the executive privilege po regarding this matter. This
Ay,
operational matter.
nandito na tayo eh. Executive privilege ka dyan.
Bakit naging executive privilege?
Kanina
bigla?
sinabi mo, PCTC ang nagbigay ng